The VIP will be myself.
Let's go.
Oh no, this is bad.
Kill Dorian! Kill
Not
him!
only,
hunting
not only
season.
will I be super slow, I'm gonna be starved as well because oh god.
Kill
Okay.
Dorian, Jolly
Hey.
City.
Dorian. Dorian.
Yeah,
What region are we doing?
we're doing Chimney Canopy. Both teams are starting at the very bottom of Chimney Canopy, so like right above
Left.
the industrial complex.
Are we starting at the shelter?
We got 1, 3, 4, and
To the
5.
gate? Then?
Yes, the hunters will start in the shelter right below the Chimney Canopy gate. So
To open.
yeah, but that's like a last like defense, isn't it? Like the guards have to like finish it one last time to defend it.
True.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
All right, you guys will have to excuse me because I am lagging crazy, so I might be a little slow. You guys are leaving. Why are you leaving me behind? You have to protect me.
Leave him behind! Do it! Do it now!
Oh no! Oh shit! I failed to jump. I failed to jump. Someone give me rocks. I need rocks.
Yeah.
We almost there, Dorian.
All right, here we go.
Whoops.
Oh, I'm tired already. What the heck? I'm so tired. Holy crap!
Rocks. There.
Wait! Don't stop hitting me. I'm getting so tired.
Sorry.
All right. Here we go.
Rocks. There.
All right. Wait for me to regain my stamina. Get my stamina. Stop getting in my way.
I'll check
I need a clear path to run. Stop getting in my way. Oh no, the more I have to jump, the more I'm gonna have to wait in the end. I can't dash, I can't jump too much, I need to be very conservative to maximize speed.
Lime.
Yeah.
I lost you. Do I go left or right from the shelter?
Uni?
Alex!
Uni, stop
Oh,
walking
you
me.
almost.
Collisions
Downstairs.
take away stamina.
Bitch. That was a nice strat.
Need to fix this. New record.
Thank God they're not here yet.
Okay.
That's where you are.
They're not
wrong.
where yet.
They're close,
We're
we're-
not where yet, huh?
Hello.
We're planning to
Oh,
take the
no.
less direct route.
We're very close.
That way you guys won't. Oh crap.
You need to do that right now. Yes.
Oh, we down.
Jesus Christ. Trying to climb vertical
Whoa.
environment with starvation is ridiculous.
Sorry.
All right, here we go.
Okay. No.
Lost my speed.
Oh.
I found the
All
gate.
right, yep. Shortcuts are good. Give me shortcuts. Oh crap!
Yes,
I'm out of
Peter, yes,
stamina.
Oh,
Okay.
Guys, I have to stop. Protect me.
I just wanted to. Okay.
I'm catching my breath.
I got
Oh,
life.
they're here.
I got up. Oh, whatever.
Okay, that was great. I'll
See,
manage to do the
floating
wall
in slow
jump.
motion. It's quite funny to see.
Oh, okay.
Wow,
Phew.
what
I didn't.
happened
I
here?
What
didn't.
happened here? Jeez.
I get
Time is
knockout.
Ambush.
All right. Let's see if I can make this jump. If I don't, then the hunters win.
Ooh.
Don't make it.
Kill yourself.
What are you gonna
Uh-oh.
jinx?
Just wait. Just wait. Just wait.
I'll start wiggling.
Can I jump now?
All right. Let's do it.
Yay! Let's go!
No way.
Same round, because all of you died. We're gonna give you a second chance to try and kill me.
Alright.
So same rolls, same everything.
we play Kill Dorian in game.
Oh.
It can also work for this game mode, I think. It's pretty linear.
They
All right,
linear walls.
we've begun. Chase is on.
Stop
Jesus.
doing that.
Everyone calm down. People
Chill.
get out of the
Okay.
shelter.
Whoops.
It's so hard to tell the difference between us.
Oh,
Sorry, Lime.
Kill tissue?
Sorry.
Oh, I'm out of stamina. Wow, punished
Oh,
every time.
cheers.
Convention, get off me! I am trying to regain my breath.
Cheers.
You don't have to pull a get down, Mr. President, just yet.
Cheers to everyone. Or maybe not everyone.
Oh God, I hear conflict already.
you shouldn't be. We're all in the gate.
Okay, I could just hear my men playing, fidgeting with the weaponry. That's all. Are you guys getting ready like a conga line? Is amazing.
Alex is covering us.
Oh my god, what just happened?
Lime, you dick.
Okay, my lord, let's hold them off.
Yeah.
Go to
sorry.
highest part of the level.
Ooh, careful!
Ah!
One
Use
down.
me as a shield, guys.
I have an idea. Well, who is there?
I'm scared.
Convention. Can you
What?
say when
One
they
die.
come? Okay.
We have casualty.
Oh, I'm
Oh
down.
no, he had no voice.
Holy shit, is it blood? Dorian, Lime is coming for you.
He is?
He
Get him, Lime.
Crap!
I'm going.
It's at 3v3 now, I think.
Motherfuckers beelining for me. Does that 3v3 include me?
No, 3v2.
Ah, crap.
Whoa!
Yeah.
Alright,
That,
getting my breath back.
Lime is
that was great.
Alright, nice. I didn't have to go the long way around. Let's go.
Great damage.
Go, go.
Crap,
We have
crap,
our fun,
crap,
shall I say.
crap, crap.
I swear you have two people on your table.
Okay.
Where's Val? Did Val make it?
I'll try to.
No, I'm dead.
do
Oh, what happened?
I can do.
I got
Hello.
sniped across the screen.
Ah.
Poor Val.
Alright, this is the most vulnerable part of the journey, methinks. Because if we get contested here, I won't be able to, in any way protect myself. I'm surprised you guys haven't caught up to us yet. I was gonna expect a law of heavy fire by now.
Okay, I know what to do right now.
We should also try to think of what custom regions this could work on.
Or we could
What do you think of the
Yes.
hanging edge? Would the hanging
Advance
edge
is pretty
look to this?
linear.
It might work on the deserted wastelands, I think. And on the mast.
Mass, perhaps.
Oh, mast! You could go from like the bottom of the mast to the top. That'd be
Oh
sick.
no.
That would be really cool, actually.
We should definitely do that. I'll definitely make that a.
I think we can go to the top of the wall next time. Like, after this game.
Ooh.
Oh,
The
yeah, that's a good
exterior,
one.
True.
The only issue with the wall is that it has the cloud effect, which, at least for me, with potato specs for computer, makes it lag really badly. So it might make it bad for other people.
So hard.
My lord. That was
Oh, that's fair. You're on a killing spree.
Yeah, no, but two, just two, not three. I can't climb the balls. Just- I
Speed.
have a gamepad. I don't know how.
Speed. All right,
I almost had my lord. Or Leno's.
let's go. Come on, let's get this roll. Crap.
Leno's for.
Oh shit! I can see movement. I can see movement.
I need to
Protect
do
me!
something.
I'm out of breath.
I
Let us try to type it.
I'm out of breath. I'm out of breath. Protect me.
I want
Okay,
to.
let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Yes, I'm getting the chain roll going. Let's go.
Oh well.
Let's
Oh,
go.
Where's all?
That was close.
I could see
Oh.
spears being hurled at me.
In a
I
different way?
think.
What hunters are still?
Never mind.
No
Are
one.
there any hunters alive?
I don't
Nope.
think so.
I
Nope.
think we all
Again?
died.
Oh, haha! My ambushes. I like
Oh,
my
this time I
ambushes.
actually died to conventional means, except for fall.
Okay.
All right, I'm gonna
Okay,
off myself.
I did a work. I think I'm good at it. At
See you
blind.
later, Aber.
I've got a question.
Okay,
Later,
but-
alligator.
All right then, we'll do the wall. I'll
Oh.
go ahead and pick a VIP for this.
Ayo, ayo, ayo. Doria.
All right, Aber, you are the VIP.
What?
How to fly?
Press V. W.
All of you.
You can make your slug cat teleport to your cursor with V.
Yes, it works too. So, do we play right now, or we just hibernate?
No, we're playing now.
What? Oh. Okay. I get it.
Wow, this is laggy.
Yeah.
This is so
It's really
bad.
laggy, actually.
Oh, I got a roll going. Let's go.
Okay. It's not so bad.
If you have a decent computer, no, it isn't. Whoa, Lord, you lost me like a solid half mile there.
Oh.
Can you walk?
Let's go.
Dorian, you're lagging so much.
I'm
Yeah, I'm
supposed
sorry.
to take care of Aber, not speedrun the wall.
I'm getting an early advantage.
Alright, Lime, just don't use downward spears while you're all the way up there.
I
You
think
might
that's
accidentally
his
hit
intention. That's his intention.
I'm an extra obstacle. You gotta avoid the mortar rain. Oh, there's
Oh,
Aber.
no. This is gonna be just like World War II.
There he was!
Uh-oh.
I have lodges.
Hey, but do you
Go
need
to
help
the-
He's
getting
dead,
up there?
so kill
You
him.
should just crawl on the
Yeah,
right side,
crawl,
probably.
Crawl.
So many lodges.
Oh, I can.
Damn, we got a defender already?
Whoa! One of us died. Hurry up.
Uh-oh.
Alright, Aber, go.
So much flags. I think.
Up.
Sorry.
The hardest part right now is gonna be
Sorry.
the yellow area.
I don't know how to do it. Just so laggy.
Yeah, me too, Leno, me too, man.
I see it.
I'm lagging so hard I can't even wall jump. It's messing up my timing.
It's very laggy down there, but it's fine up here.
It's gonna get worse for me up there because the cloud effect comes into play.
So true, bestie.
No.
So sorry, Leno, I'm kind of fat.
Oh, I just froze again. Nice.
Feed yourself.
Bro, what was that lag? Why would I so climbing out? Why would I so going through the next
It's fine.
stab me in the face?
They're here.
Oh, it's a little
hurry,
bit
hurry,
better.
hurry.
Hurry up.
Run.
Oh, it's starting to lag for me too.
Oh yeah, we're actually gonna need spears for Aber to climb some of these parts.
Yeah.
Convention?
Val, get
the hell was that?
spears. Get the spear.
I have some.
I put a spear here.
They're here.
I shut up.
Okay, there's spears there and there.
Freeze?
Should be
Uni's
good.
dead.
Another freeze?
Oh, what? Well, okay, never mind. He's not dead. He has the spear in their head, but they're
Oh
alive.
god,
I
it's even
guess.
worse.
Uni, how are you still alive? Nice shot.
Oh, I'm dead. I killed one of them though.
Aber, no.
Yeah, it was great.
Danka.
What happened to Aber?
Nothing. We are A-okay up here.
Sure.
Alright, get moving, because they're here.
I mean, you guys probably have a really good chance of getting to the top of the wall, because me and Leno, down here at the bottom of the wall, are moving at a slug's pace.
Get it?
Move.
Slug. Space.
Ah.
Ooh.
I'm dead. Alright.
Like, even my shortcut traverse speed is like only
Here.
50%.
I'll spear it.
Wait, Leno. We have wall skip,
Wall skip?
Uh-oh, no.
Oh no,
You
oh no.
Well, maybe it's faster for you. Maybe it's faster for you to just go the right way.
I'm dead, but I got
Oh
you.
my God.
Quick,
Move,
Aber.
Move as fast as you can. They're coming for you.
Oh my god. Just like with
this
old
is
times.
over.
Oh!
Yeah.
That took forever.
I'd
Wow.
like to know, we have
Alex.
lost every single round.
I used the wall skip. Bitches!
Hi.
Oh no. Make sure you get a spear, yeah. Nice.
Yeah.
That way we can get up.
Aber is literally dead. Y'all are
Aber is
trying to
dead.
win for no reason.
Yes.
Aber's dead?
Yeah.
Dead.
Yep.
Hey, got him.
Val, no. Val, you little shit.